Morning dear students, welcome to Iqra English School. I hope you all must be fine. As you know that this is your class with NCERT EVS book looking around, and today we are going to read the chapter number 10, Walls Tell Stories. So dear students, in this chapter we will read about a fantastic and beautiful fort of our country, Golconda Fort. That is Golconda Fort. This is situated in Hyderabad of Telangana state. Dear students, here some children have reached on the fort of Golconda and they are talking to each other. So let's start the chapter. You are watching that this is a fort and this is Golconda Fort. Reached Golconda. At last we reached Golconda. We were glad that Didi was with us. Didi studies history and we enjoy visiting different places with her. Do you know history? History is a study of the past event. And who study this? This is who study the history. That is called the student of history. Shalja, my goodness, this fort is so huge. Sridhar, and see at what a height of this it is built. Kalyani, just look, have you ever seen such a huge gate? Shalja, it must be very heavy. I wonder how many people would be needed to open and close this gate. Kalyani, look at these sharp iron spokes. I wonder why they were made. Shalja, look at these thick walls. Look at these thick walls too. Shridhar, I have never seen such a thick wall. These are called bastions, means burj. See, these are even higher than the wall. These are even higher than the wall. The outer wall of this fort has 87 bastions. Thick walls, a huge gate, and so many bastions, so many ways to ensure security. Dear students, the bastions, why the burj or you can say the bastions are made? They were made to ensure the security of the fort. You are watching. This is called bastions, or you can say burj. There are so many holes here. There is a question for you. Why were bastions made in the fort wall? So the answer is they were made to ensure security of the fort. Question number 2. Why were big holes made in them? So big holes were made in them to increase the viewing area. Soldiers could look through these holes and could keep a better vigilance. Number 3. What difference would be there if you were to look from a straight flat wall or a bastions at a height? How would the soldiers find peeping from the holes in the bastions useful while attacking? So the answer is bastions ensured battle safety of soldiers. It also provided a better vantage point from where a larger area could be seen. It would not have been possible from a flat wall. What did we find inside the fort? Shalja, I wonder how old this fort would be. Do you think the king built the fort so that he could live there? Kalyani, it was written outside that Qutub Shahi Sultan ruled here one after another from 1518 to 1687. Didi, much before that, in 1200, this fort was made of mud and different rulers lived here. Shalja, oh look, this board has a map of fort. Sridhar, this map shows so many gardens, fields and factories. See, there are so many places also inside the fort. That means, Shahja is telling, that means that not only the Sultan but many other people like farmers and workers must also have been living there. Kalyani, it must have been a complete town, the Sultan's palace. Sridhar, these steps seem to go on and on. Shalja, even in those days, they used to have buildings with 2 floors. Kalyani, now the buildings is in ruins. But one can imagine that earlier there were many big halls and rooms there. Do you know the meaning of ruins? When something getting destroyed, that is called ruins. Sridhar, look at this beautiful carving on the walls. It is so fine. Are you watching? This type of walls are called the covering, beautiful carving on the walls. This is, I want to also show you, this is the curved part of the wall that Sridhar is praising. Kalyani, we also saw something like a fountain on one of the roof. Didi, yes, there were many big tanks and fountains there. They used to be full of water. Wow, what engineering! Think, even today, when engineers design houses, sometimes there is dampness in the wall, and there, so long ago, there were fountains on the terrace. The buildings must have been made with such good understanding. If we think how the people lived 500 years ago, so many questions come to our mind. For example, how was water lifted such height? Can you guess how? So, dear students, this was the first part of the chapter. We will meet in the second part of the chapter. Good day.